Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home and safe at home. So, I am Radhika, your biology teacher, teaching you all biology at Dr. Bison School. So, for the last 2 months or 2.5 months, we have been sending videos of all the lessons till now, whatever the syllabus is being done. And most of you are watching the videos regularly, and many of you, if not most, many of you are even sending the works. Okay, so normally if the school is there, okay, normally if the school is there from June, the classes would start, and especially for 9th and 10th class, 9th class also we hurry up a lot because we have to complete the syllabus at the earliest. By December or so we tend to complete the syllabus. So we hurry up and complete the lessons, and 9th class syllabus is very vast. Okay, 9th class and 10th class syllabus is vast. Even then we complete it. But since we are sending the videos, we are not physically teaching you all in the class. We are only sending the videos. We are sending them in less number, okay, less quantity, as the syllabus also could be reduced. But at the same time, you must remember that this syllabus is equally needed for 10th class, the base, okay, for your higher classes. So you should be well versed with all the lessons. Even though due to the pandemic the syllabus is reduced, you should have a knowledge of that. Okay, now I told that since 2 or 2.5 months we are sending the videos. Now, if we don't keep any exam, what would happen? Normally, when you are there in the school in the month of August, we would have the FA1 exams, isn't it? But we could not conduct the FA1 exams since you are not coming to the school. And now it's already going to be September month is getting over. So we thought that we should keep some exam for all of you. But it will not be the same exam like we keep in the school. In the school we keep the CTs after the lesson completion, then we have this FA1, FA2 and all. But we are not keeping all that. So now we thought that we'll keep an exam, but that will be completely objective. Okay, children, completely objective. That means you don't think that we are going to give only multiple choice questions. Okay, why I am telling like this? See now, in 10th class, from last year they have changed the pattern. They'll give 12 marks. Okay, for in that they give the bits in a different way. Okay, in a different way they give the bits. What are those bits? How they give? Okay, it is not only the multiple choice questions. Those of you who are thorough with the textbook, okay, you should be really thorough with the textbook. Remember everything in the textbook where what is there, they are able to answer. Okay, so for that they have designed the bit part in a different way. Okay, children, earlier for 10 marks they used to give the bit, and that used to be in a different way. All multiple choice questions used to be there in 10th class, 9th class, 10th class, all similar ones. But this year, last year onwards, as they have changed, they are giving 12 marks bit part. Okay, 12 marks only. From half yearly they had started that, or the S7 exam they had started that 12 marks bit part. And there were no internal marks and all. For 50 marks they were giving BS 50 marks, NS 50 marks. That is paper 1, paper 2, each one 50 marks they were giving. Okay, like this certain changes were made. So if you practice from 9th class all these things, it will be easier for you. Okay, the pattern of answering such questions. Okay, so what could be there? What could be there? What kind of questions could be there that I am going to discuss in the revision part? Okay, so and the exam that we are going to conduct, about all the details and all we shall be explaining to you all. You don't have to worry about that. What app you have to download, how you can open the paper, that link also we shall be sending, how we have to do and how we will be uploading, all that we shall be telling, submitting you, how you are going to submit. Okay, all that we shall help you. Don't worry about that. For now, please concentrate and complete, learn the lessons thoroughly. Okay, as I told, the syllabus for you all is 3 lessons, 1, 2 and 4 chapters. These are the lessons for your exam syllabus. So in this, the first one is cell, its structure and functions. The first revision today I am going to do is cell, its structure, and functions. This is the syllabus. First lesson syllabus. Okay, children. So normally what kind of questions would come in the exam? Generally they give one is complete the flow chart. Any flow chart can be given that you have to complete. Okay. Where you can find the flow charts? Do you remember? Second lesson tissues is there. There I have given tissue, plant tissue, animal tissue. See, I'll just give example I'll give. Okay. Tissue is there. Okay. In this, here box is given. Here animal tissue I write. That means what will come there? Okay, or if the plant tissue I am writing here, I will write some types. Okay, here first one is what? You all know. Meristematic tissue should come there. That I don't write there. Here I write the dermal tissue. Okay, here I write. Okay. Here I write the simple permanent and complex permanent I write. Here I write the ground tissue. Okay, then next one I can give a blank. Okay, here you can see that the blanks are there. You have to fill the blanks. Now these three combinations I can give. Okay, simply I can put here plant tissue here, meristematic, vascular. Okay, that order I can change. I can put the vascular tissue here, plant tissue here, meristematic tissue here. Like the different orders I can give and say which is the correct one. Understood, children? So that is one option where the tissue is given. Okay, next one. The next type of question I would like to ask is about the scientist, any scientist name. Okay, here, say for example, the first lesson is there. The first lesson is there. In your first lesson, can you recollect what scientist names I can discuss about? What scientist names? Schleiden and Schwann. See here. Page number 4, you will get about Schleiden and Schwann. So here I can simply give. Here, see in the first paragraph on the right side, you can see Schleiden, who was the one of the proponents of cell theory, thought the new cells were created from the nucleus and he called it a cytoblast. Okay, I can simply give a scientist called the new cells were created from the nucleus and he called it a cytoblast. Okay, identify the scientist. Then that means what? You must remember what he has said, what work he has done. So I may give the options and options are not given. Okay, always options are not given. That flow chart also, I told that I may give the options but not necessary. No options are given. You will have to fill in the final exam. You won't get like that. So no options will be given. So you have to fill on your own. Okay, similarly here also. Identify the scientist. You have to identify the scientist. Okay, that is identify the scientist from the by reading the given lines. By reading the given lines. Whatever lines I give, that you have to read, and from that you will be able to identify which scientist is that. Okay, next option. What kind of question can be asked? Okay, that can be based on the activity. Based on activity. So many activities are there, isn't it? So example I will tell here. For that example I can ask about this one. Say the raisins. Okay. What happens to the raisins? Okay. soaked in water. What happens? You have to write. Okay, I may ask why they swell. Okay, I may give the answer also that they are swollen after some time. Why do you think so? That reason you should write. Or I may ask as why you are using the stain while preparing the slides. Okay, here so many activities are there. In all of them we are using the stain. From 8th class I am telling why do we use the stain? So that the cell organelles absorb the stain and they appear colorful. We are able to identify them. What is the use of glycerine? Glycerine will prevent the slide, the temporary mount slide that we are preparing, that specimen from drying. And why we are putting the cover slip? We are putting the cover slip so that the magnification is better. We are able to see the things clearly, more clearly, because it is made up of transparent glass. Okay, like this. And what are the stains we add? Safrine or iodine or methylene blue. These are the stains we add. Understood, children? So like this, the questions based on the activities. Many questions can be asked. Sometimes they would ask you to write the precautionary measures. After the activity, they have generally given the precautionary measures. That also you should learn. Okay. So the third type that I told is based on the activity. Okay. Next one. I can give based on the diagram. You may wonder on diagram how you can draw. Diagram labeling would be there. Say mitochondria is there or chloroplast is there. Okay, if at all chloroplast I have drawn here, I'll give the chloroplast diagram. I can give the thylakoids like this. Okay. Like this I can give. I ask you to label this. What is this? What it is? What it is? Okay. So it is the inner membrane, stroma. This is the granum or the thylakoids. So like this, I can ask you to label the parts. That is based on the diagram. Or I may label it in a wrong way and ask you to correct the labeling. Like that also I can ask. Okay, next one. Here you have seen flow chart, scientist name, activity. Okay, then you are seeing about labeling. Then I may give mismatched pair. Correct the mismatched pair. Mismatched pair. How it can come? Here I can give cell wall or cell membrane. Okay, for all I am telling one example. Okay, cell membrane. Okay, chloroplast, nucleus. Okay, I write it is photosynthesis. I can write it as photosynthesis. Okay, chloroplast. I can write as packaging house, packaging unit. Okay, cell membrane I write permeability. Which is the correct option here? Mismatched pairs. This is mismatched or not? You should know that. This is not mismatched. This is the correct option. This is wrong. This is wrong. So here, which are the mismatched pairs? B and C. B and C are the mismatched pairs. Okay, so I can give it as an MCQ or simply ask you to identify. I may not give the options at all. Okay, like that you have to identify a mismatched pair. Okay, earlier we used to give the matching, isn't it? That matching only we are giving in a different way. Till 8th class you got matching and all. Now, instead of giving the matching like that directly, we are giving like this. Okay, children. So here already 5 types we have seen. Next one, I shall see about the expand the abbreviation given. ATP I have taught, isn't it? What is ATP? You should know. Write the full form or expanded form or expanded form. Okay, write the expanded form. Example, I can give that of ATP. You can write adenosine triphosphate, or I can give DNA, or I can give RNA. Okay, like that I can give any of them. You will have to write. Understood, children? So this is also very important. Got it? Now we shall see the next one. What other types can come in the exam? Okay, based on any conceptual understanding, I can give a simple definition. Okay, what is osmosis? What is osmosis? Or I can give here conceptual understanding. Sorry, here I did not write. I wrote the example only. Okay, sixth one over. Seventh one, what is osmosis? Again, I am writing like that. Conceptual understanding. Okay, understanding. Simple definition. I can ask, any definition can be asked. Okay, or the function can be asked. What is the role of mitochondria played in the cell? Or what is the use of meristematic tissue? Next, I can ask about, understood this one? Next, I can ask about how it is applicable. Okay, how it is applicable to the societies, isn't it? Aesthetic skills and application and aesthetic skills that we have got now. Based on that, I can ask. Okay, how is sorry, here applicability to the society, or applicative question. One is applicative question also. Applicative. Applicative question. Okay, example. About use of osmosis or diffusion. Okay, osmosis or diffusion, how it is useful to the society. Okay, I have told that osmosis is used in our RO plant, then it is useful in our tissues, that is in the kidneys. Okay, similarly diffusion, about that agarbatti and how the substances will move, all that, any use you can write, how it is there. Okay, next one is, one paragraph could be given where blanks, 3 blanks can be given. 3 blanks in a paragraph. 3 blanks in a paragraph. You will have to fill those blanks. So that is from the textbook. Okay. From the textbook. Or it could be from this also. Like, after the lesson you got the key points, isn't it? Dash are membrane. See, in the key points of first lesson, dash are membrane bound sacs filled with dash enzymes. What are membrane bound sacs? They are lysosomes filled with digestive enzymes. Or I can write, the Golgi apparatus consists of dash and dash that functions in the storage. So like that I can mix 2 sentences and give. Okay, where you will have to fill the blanks. Okay, children. So these are the types in which I am going to ask the questions. So please note down, and accordingly you will all have to prepare for the exam. Note down first, then I will revise the first chapter quickly. Okay, now all of you have noted down. So we shall just have a quick recap of our first chapter. Okay, that is cell structure and functions. In this, what all I can ask? What all things I can ask? I have been giving the explaining the videos and asked you to write in the form, in a tabular form, isn't it? Like this, I have asked you all to write the in the tabular form. Okay, everything I have asked you to write in the tabular form. So in that, I have written about the location or the function and structure of every organelle. So you must be thorough, and what are the keywords? Say for example, the first one that we can see is about the cell wall, okay, or the cell membrane. Okay, the cell membrane is how it is? It is permeable in nature. So semi-permeability I can ask. Okay, I can associate the cell membrane with semi-permeability. What is its function? It allows only certain substances to enter into the cell. Then it is made up of proteins and carbohydrates and some lipid molecules. That related to that, anything I can ask. Next one, cell wall. Okay, it is made up of what? Made up of cellulose, isn't it? And it is the hardest part. And what is the function of cell wall? It provides rigidity, gives support to the plant cells, and does not allow the cell to shrink in a hypertonic solution, and does not allow it to burst in a hypotonic solution. So that is what you have to remember about the cell wall. Next, the nucleus. What does it contain? What is the name? It is a controlling unit of the cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Chloroplast is the kitchen of the cell. Lysosomes are the suicidal bags of the cells. Okay, then you have got Golgi complex, packaging unit of the cell. Ribosomes are the protein units or the site of protein synthesis. DNA contains all the genetic information about the cell, isn't it? Next, where does the cellular respiration occur? It occurs in the mitochondria. So here I shall revise some of the questions that are there in your workbook. So all of you must complete the workbook part revision. Okay. All of you purchased the books, I think, so you can go through all the activities, everything in the textbook. Okay, I have sent these mind maps and all that long back only to you all. So if you have done all that, it is very easy for you to learn the lesson. Okay, children. Here we shall discuss about some of the questions. Primarily the cells are studied under optical microscope, compound or electron microscope, or none. Which microscope we use in our lab? We use compound microscope. The outermost covering of animal cell is animal cell. It is plasma membrane, cell wall, plasma membrane, nuclear envelope. So it is plasma membrane. So I want that you all complete this one on your own without seeing the answers and send the photos to me. Here in the beginning the answers are not given, but I don't think he'll give in the end. Without seeing the answers, if you are able to do, it's very good. Okay, try to do without seeing the answers. Okay, many times the answers could be wrong also in the text, in the workbook. Okay, next one, identify the selectively permeable membrane, cell wall, tonoplast, nuclear membrane, cell membrane. What it is? Cell membrane. Okay, and one more thing, the vacuole. Okay, what is the role of the vacuole? It stores the food in the cell, and in the plant cell it occupies most of the space, isn't it? Whereas in they are absent in the animal cells, and if at all they are present, their size is very small and their number is more. Okay, whereas in the plant cells the vacuole is large and maybe single. It occupies most of the place, pushing the nucleus and other organelles to one side. That's because the vacuole has to store the food or air or water or waste. Many things it can store depending upon the requirement of the plant. Okay, whichever plant, what it needs, according to that it can use its vacuoles. Okay, children. Next one. What is the cell theory? Who gave the cell theory? Cell theory is given by Schleiden and Schwann. What did they propose? Just now I told about the cell theory, isn't it? The scientist who called the nucleus as cytoplast. What did he say? What did he say? That the new cells arise from the nucleus of the cell. So what are the two components or the principles of the cell theory? They are all living organisms are composed of cells and the products of cells. And second point is that new cells or all cells arise from the pre-existing cells. From where that was in the cell? From the nucleus. This was told by Schleiden and Schwann. Further it was improved by, it was modified by, who modified that? Virchow. Okay. So like this, I can ask about the cells. Next one, chloroplast. When I told about the plastids. I told that the pigments are there. What is the structure of the chloroplast? It is covered by two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inside that the space that is there, that is called as the stroma. Inside that many stacked coin-like structures we can see. Okay, stacked bundles of coins like that we can see many such structures inside the stroma, and these structures are called as granum, singular, and grana is the plural, and each granum contains many thylakoids. Do you remember? Thylakoids, and each thylakoid in turn contains many chlorophyll molecules, isn't it? So that structure you must remember. Similarly, the mitochondria. The mitochondria contains the outer membrane, inner membrane, and inside that whatever space is there, that is called as the matrix. And the inner membrane also undergoes many folds. Do you remember? The inner membrane will undergo many folds. Like this it will undergo many folds. The outer membrane will not undergo, but these folds are called as the cristae. They are called as the cristae. So I can give this for labeling. Okay, these are the cristae. I may give this part, this empty part, that is nothing but the matrix. That is nothing but the matrix. See one simple diagram and you can remember all the parts easily. Okay, children. Next, I told depending upon the type of chloroplast, they give the color. What are those? Chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chloroplasts are green colored, chromoplasts are orange or yellow colored, and leucoplasts are white colored. Okay, mitochondria helps in respiration within the cell. Okay, it helps in respiration within the cell. Okay, like this, the Golgi complex helps in the packaging. It is made up of vesicles, isn't it? And it helps in the formation of the packaging of protein. Half synthesized proteins are brought from the nucleus and given to the Golgi complex. This one in turn will package the substances. Next, nucleus will control. It has got all the information. It controls all the activities. Where is that present? It is present inside the chromosome. The nucleus in turn is having the outer membrane and inner membrane, that is called as nuclear membrane. Inner to that the space that is there, that is called as nucleoplasm. Inside that it is having many thread-like structures. These thread-like structures are called as chromosomes, or otherwise when the cell is not dividing, then it is called as chromatin. They will condense and form chromosomes during the cell division. So they are made up of what? They are all made up of a structure called as DNA. All this I have given in the notes anyway. Deoxyribonucleic acid, that in turn has got the information which it blue copies to the RNA. Now from the RNA it is taken, it is sent to the, it is sent from the RNA, it is copied. It will be carrying that, this RNA will carry this to the Golgi complex and give there the proteins are finely packaged and used inside the cell. Okay, children, so that's how the nucleus controls the cell. Whereas now I told about the lysosomes. They are the suicidal bags of the cells. Why? Because they have certain enzymes that they will release to to kill any foreign particle that enters into the cell. Sometimes when the foreign particle enters or the cell is needed to die, at that time they release it into the cytoplasm and the whole cell dies. Okay, that's why they are called as the suicidal bags of the cell. Okay, now I told about all this. Now anything else is there? Endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Both they form the framework within the cell. Okay, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes on the surface. Okay, these help in protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum, no ribosomes on the surface. They help in the lipid synthesis of the within the cell. Okay, so I have completed all the organelles and their functions, so you all need to revise this very well, and we shall see in the next video. I would like to revise the next chapter, that is fourth chapter, that is plasma membrane. There we shall be discussing about the role of plasma membrane, all the activities and all that. So this test that we are going to conduct would be for 25 marks. How you used to write the FA1 exam. So just like that, this is for 25 marks and all the bits are going to be there. 25 bits will be there in all these different patterns, which you will have to write within a stipulated time. It could be around half an hour. In half an hour you have to complete 25 bits. Okay children. So thank you all and prepare well for the exam. All the best children.